Are you currently looking for a new smartphone, or are you already a fan of Huawei? On today's video, we have listed some best Huawei phones in 2020. They can be your reference for a new smartphone. Huawei P30 Pro. This P30 Pro is famously known for its photographic camera and 5x and 10x zoom, along with a digital 50x zoom. Comes with large 6.47-inch screen with Full HD Plus resolution. This smartphone can produce an excellent picture even at a low light condition. The excellent battery on this smartphone also contributes to the user satisfaction, as users can use their smartphone longer than others. If you are looking for a new smartphone with eye-catching design, this Huawei P30 Pro can be your best option. Huawei Mate 20 Pro. This Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with upgrade screen, enhanced triple rear cameras, and a display fingerprint scanner. It packs a huge 6.39-inch display with QHD resolutions and HDR10 support that will definitely give you the best gaming experience. This Huawei Mate 20 Pro is complete with 3 cameras with excellent 40-megapixel wide angle and 18-megapixel telephoto lenses from the P20 Pro, along with an ultra 16-megapixel snapper for photos. If you're looking for a new smartphone that worth the price, this Huawei Mate 20 Pro can be your best choice option. Huawei P30. This bed comes with smaller screen than the P30 Pro. This Huawei P30 packs 3 rear cameras and maximum zoom of 30 times. With a 6.1-inch display with a Full HD Plus, you can definitely expect the best gaming experience while using this smartphone. The battery on this smartphone is also long-lasting, as it can be used for a day and a half on a single charge. The 3 cameras on this smartphone also offer excellent zooming range from 5x, 10x, and 30x zoom and great low light condition. Huawei P40 Pro. This Huawei P40 Pro is packed with a superb quad-lens camera and superb 4200 mAh battery. This stylish smartphone also comes with curved glass on full 4 front edges. The performance of this smartphone is also supported by Kirin 990 chipset, along with high 90Hz refresh rate display. Sadly, this Huawei P40 Pro no longer supported by Google features, and the hardware from this smartphone is very durable, which makes it worth to considering while you are looking for a new smartphone from Huawei. Huawei P40. This bed is not supported by Google mobile services and wireless charging or high refresh rate. This Huawei P40 is known for its triple camera setup that takes stunning photos and videos. The performance of this smartphone is also supported by Kirin 990 chipset with 5G connectivity features. If you are looking for a new smartphone to use in Asia, this Huawei P40 can be your option.